everyone, I am Christine Franz Pasana from BSCE 1, and here I am to present the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data, measures of central tendency statistics. So yun, hahanapin natin ungrouped data ng mean, median, at mode. So for this first ungrouped data, ito yung mga nakakalat na ungrouped data, and we have the formula of this mean. So hahanapin natin kung paano mahanap ang mean data in this ungroup. First, we have this numbers, and ipag-add natin lahat sila. Ipag-add natin. Ito yung mga numbers na given, and ipag-add natin sila. Value, and then the symbol, and total of terms in the data set. So, kapag-add natin silang lahat, pa-plus natin. And then, pag-plus na, ito na yung kakalabasan niya. Magiging 87. Then, i-divide natin kung ilan yung given. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by 10 is equals to 8.7. So, ito na yung final answer natin in mean data. So, next sa ating median non-group data is hahanapin naman natin kung ano yung nth term. And this is the odd number of observation. First, you have to arrange from lowest to highest ang ating mga given. So, ayan, 5, 9, 14, 5, 3. So, i-arrange natin siya 3, 5, 9, 14. So, next, this is the formula. N plus 1 divided by 2 in the n term. Then, bibilangin mo sila 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ayan, 5. Then, plus 1 divided by 2. So, 6 is 6 over 2. Then, divide 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, ayan ang ating n term. So, bibilangin lang natin from the range 1, 2, 3. And ito na yung pinaka n term na hinahanap ng ating median. So, the odd number of observation. So, gets ba? So, next, we have the mode. Ito naman guys, ang pinakamadali sa lahat dahil need mo lang hanapin kung ano yung pinaka maraming magkakapareha sa kanila. Yung laging lumalabas na number. So, our given is, bibilangin mo muna. Pwede mong i-arrange siya in lowest to highest para hindi ka malito. Then yan, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 10, 9, 8, 3. So, we have the 10 given numbers. So, hanapin mo lang kung ano yung kapareho nila. Kung ano yung magkakapareho na number. So, 10, ito 14. So, ito yung pinaka-simple way kung paano hanap ang ungrouped data ng isang mode. So, thank you so much for watching.